Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll show you how to determine the Pearson Correlation Coefficient using statistical package for the social sciences software, SPSS. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload new tutorials. Alright, let's start. You can either type your data directly in SPSS or copy it from Microsoft Excel and paste it into SPSS. Once your data is entered, you might want to rename your variables to make them easier to identify. Just scroll down and click the Variable View tab at the bottom of the SPSS window. Then, under the Label column, type the names of your variables. For example, attendance rate and final grade. In this example, we want to find out whether attendance rate is related to final grades. After labeling your variables, go back to Data View. Now, on the menu bar, click Analyze. Then hover over Correlate and select Bivariate. A dialog box will appear. Highlight both variables, attendance rate and final grade, and move them to the Variables box. Under Correlation Coefficients, make sure Pearson is checked and uncheck Kendall and Spearman. Once that's done, click OK. Now let's look at the output. You'll see the correlation between attendance rate and final grade is 0.353, with a p-value of 0.001, which is less than 0.05. This tells us that there's a moderate positive relationship between attendance and final grades. In simple terms, students who regularly attend their classes are more likely to achieve higher grades than those who are frequently absent. And because the p-value is less than 0.05, this result is statistically significant, meaning the relationship is unlikely due to chance. And that's it for now. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your classmates or colleagues. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.